In this video we are going to talk about miracle and mystery plays. Miracle and mystery plays from Christopher Marlowe and the Elizabethan drama. So here the clergy who had begun the religious performances had extended itself to include lay performers. Now this clergy, who are this clergy? Now these clergy are one of the officials who are having a proper rank or position in the church. So this clergy was excluded. They were excluded from participating in joyous celebration of festivals. Why? After the performances became buoyant means happy or cheerful. Now this clergy used to make religious, dignified, serious type of dramas. Now when when the performances that happened started becoming happier, cheerful, at that time they started removing the clergy from participating in joyous celebration or festivals. Exclusion of clergy results the relaxation of church control over performances that led to secular growth of Christian drama. So, exclusion, when clergy was removed, church control also got relaxed, means people or the church, they do not have any type of control over the performances, and the performances began secular growth of Christian drama. Secular means non-religious type of Christian drama started forming, and at that time church has no control because clergy was removed. This type of play became popular in 14th century in England, and it came to known as mystery and miracle plays. Mystery and miracle plays. Now it became called as mystery and miracle plays. Now different plays evolved with singular theme in course of time. That means with the passage of time there were different plays, but all are having singular themes, same topic. The theatre went into the hand of social and trade guilds. Guilds means the associations of artisans and craftsmen. So that theatre went into the hands of social and trade guilds. Though this theatre was composed by clergy, and it is in iambic verse. What is this iambic verse? From here, iam means nothing but the type of syllable where first one is stressed and the latter is unstressed. So that type of words, iambic words in secular disposition, secular tendency, non-religious tendency. Many towns became associated. What are those towns? York, Chester, Coventry, Wakefield, Lincoln. So these towns got associated with this type of theatres. The cycles facilitate replacement of what? Replacement of Latin. Now this Latin language has been replaced by vernacular language. Next, shift of this theoretical activity. Now this theoretical activity shifted from cathedral to open public places. And the most important, very very important thing about this development, this play, is a significant development occurred, and that development was nothing but the mixing up of serious religious practice, mixing up of serious religious practice. This got mixed up with what? This got mixed up with comic frivolities. Comic frivolities. What do you mean by frivolities? Frivolities means lack of seriousness. Comic frivolities of day to day life. So this is the important development, significant development.